Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a ruby red metallic 2016 Ford Escape Titanium, stock number A7160. You have factory fog lights up front. The hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is an alloy rim. We'll get a close-up on the tread of the tires. You do have Michelin tires. Inside, there is a black leather upholstery. That's in fantastic condition. There is seating for 2 in the front row, and you have seating for 3 in the second row, making this a 5-passenger Escape. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. There is a dual exhaust here. You've got a backup camera as well as backup sensors. There's a power liftgate, so it's as easy as the push of one button to get that trunk open and closed. As you can see, it's very clean inside. The second row seating folds into a 60-40 split to give you some extra space when needed. And the reason that I'm showing you this Ford today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. There are keypad entry buttons on the driver's side door. On the inside of the door, you have buttons for memory seating as well as your usual power amenities. There are power lumbar adjustments. Over to the interior, to the left of the steering wheel, you have cruise control buttons, and then to the right, you have some audio controls. There is a push button start back here. On the driver's side visor, you have HomeLink garage door opener buttons. And then coming down to the center, you've got a great touchscreen display, which is where your backup camera shows. There is a navigation system. You've got a CD player along with an AM/FM radio, and then you've also got a Sony premium audio system. Coming down underneath of that, you have your climate controls. There are actually dual climate controls. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission. Your engine is a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, which in highway mileage gets you around 28 miles per gallon. You do have controls here for heated front row seating. If you'd like to get more information on this Escape or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.